Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to get your motivation back easily, and this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. Believe me, everybody, including myself, loses motivation. Some people lose motivation frequently and in big amounts, and other people lose motivation, from time to time on occasion and in small amounts, but everybody goes through it. It's just a matter of how they get out of that little rut. And I'm going to tell you a very simple few steps, just a very simple method towards getting out of it. And it's worked for me, it's worked for many people, and hopefully it's going to work for you too. So here are the steps, and then I'll explain how it works. So the first thing is you have to set some goals. And the goals can be as big or as small as you want. They can be any goals at all whatsoever. Okay? Then you have to do any amount of work towards those goals. Literally any amount of work. It can be the tiniest amount or the biggest amount. Any amount of work towards those goals. Okay? Then you will hopefully see success and results from the work that you put in towards those goals. So you're going to see success and results from that work. Okay? And then you're going to be a little bit motivated, at least a little bit motivated. You're going to have at least a little bit of your motivation back. Once you have that motivation back, okay, even if it's only a little bit, you're going to do more work towards the same goals or even new goals. So you're going to put in additional work. You're going to use that little bit of motivation, at least, that motivation, whatever amount it is, to fuel your more work, to fuel your additional work towards, the same goals that you had before, if you didn't accomplish them, or if you have more work to do towards them, or even new goals. You can create some new goals. But you're going to use a little bit of motivation or a lot of motivation. You're going to use whatever motivation you got back to fuel the next bit of work that you're going to do. And then once you put in that next bit of work, okay, you're going to see more success and results from that additional work. And then guess what? You're going to be more motivated because you saw more success and results. You're going to just rinse and repeat. You're going to use that more motivation that you got, okay, to do even more work towards the same goals or new goals, okay? And then you're going to see, thanks to that more work that you put in, even more success and more results from that work, which leads to you being even more motivated because you saw the success and the results. And you're going to rinse and repeat that process. And that is essentially how you can get your motivation back. You have to start with any amount of work towards any goal. It can be a massive, humongous goal, or the goal can literally be, I'm going to get out of bed this morning. Like maybe you're lying in bed and you have no motivation at all. Your goal can be, I'm actually going to get out of bed and I'm going to get dressed. And you can do any amount of work towards that. So you can literally just sit up. So let's say you're lying down in your bed, just sit up. That's a little bit of work towards that goal. You're going to feel maybe the tiniest bit of motivation. Okay? Because you're like, oh, wow, I'm sitting up now. I took a step towards that goal. Next, you're going to take the covers off and stand up on the floor. So you're going to take the covers off, stand up on the floor, and you're not standing up. Oh, okay. Now I'm even more motivated. Well, I'm going to go choose my clothes, right? I'm going to pick any clothes. Okay, I picked my clothes. I'm even more motivated now. Let's put the clothes on. Wow, we achieved that goal, right? And you're going to be more motivated to set the next goal. Maybe you're going to go and you're going to eat some breakfast. Maybe you're going to go and you're going to shovel the driveway. I don't know, just because it's snowing here, and I'm filming this in the wintertime, and it's snowing, and I had to shovel the driveway this morning before I came to work. So that was just an example that I thought of. But anyways, that's how you get your motivation back. It starts with the tiniest little steps, and then you use those tiny steps to build on to bigger steps, hopefully, and bigger goals and bigger amounts of work. And that's how you get your motivation back. Your motivation might come back in tiny bits, but hopefully eventually you're getting big amounts of motivation back, and hopefully you're back to your regular motivated self. Simple as that. That's how I've handled it. That's how I'm sure other people have handled it as well. And hopefully if you use this method and you handle it in that way too, hopefully it works for you. And that's it. I've got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you. I hope that you've enjoyed the video. And with that being said, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.